Hey guys, Drew here from Colton RV and Marine. Today we're at the Western New York RV show at the Hamburg Fairgrounds, and today I'll be showing you guys the OBX by Keystone. This is the new 2024 model, the 17BH. We're going to start over here at the front. So starting here at the front, you got your bike rack and then your propane tanks along with your power tongue jack. This thing comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries, so you got plenty of power for all of your needs. Coming around to the side here, you got a large storage, and if you look inside there, it's got your solar charger, it's got an inverter, it's all prepped for even more solar if you want to do that. You got a nice tempered glass door on the outside here that also has your sticker for your 3-year limited structural warranty. Solid steps and a grab handle. This thing is an aluminum cage construction along with a rigid foam insulation, and then on the front and the top you got an astrofoil insulation that will keep you nice and insulated. It has a super high R rating. You got aluminum tires with their Dexter Torque Flex torsion axles. They are a stronger axle. They'll help for like off-roading and going through tougher terrain. It's also got a huge awning that goes almost all the way across the camper. You got a beefed up sound system in here. Along with the roof is going to be a fully walkable TPO membrane that will be nice and easy. No punctures, no slices, anything like that. Key TV standard. Also down to your left a little bit, you have a propane quick connect, so you can have a nice little griddle out here. And you also have a spray port just in case you got to hose off the little ones. One more thing I'm going to point out on the back here, you got a backup camera, so your wife won't have to stand behind you directing you which way to back up. Let's go take a look at the inside. Okay, the first thing I want to mention in here is this has got a hyperdeck flooring. It's a Keystone flooring that's going to be water resistant, because we all know water's the worst enemy of a camper. Coming around here, you have your bed along with your TV that's going to be on the front wall here. Plenty of storage underneath the bed. These drawers, all wood fronts. You got charging ports right on top of your bed here, along with a nice storage. Leather dinette that breaks down into a bed. You got plenty of storage up top above here as well. And then in the kitchen area here, you got a nice stainless steel sink with a faucet that actually has a pull down head. 3-burner cooktop with a glass cover that goes over top. Storage above. And all of your tank indicators, your water heater, and your switch for your lights. With the lights, they're a new 2024 thing, these strip lights. They're dimmable, so you'll be able to, set the mood in here and everything else, along with a top-mounted Furrion AC unit that will run off of the lithium-ion batteries and the 440 watts of solar that comes standard on this. Coming back here to your bunks. These are rated for 250 pounds. And you can kind of see there's a back door in there as well. You got a 12-volt refrigerator that also will run off of those solar panels and those lithium-ion batteries. And a microwave up here that is convection as well. Let's check out the bathroom. Okay, in the bathroom here, you have a super large shower with a huge tub at the bottom, so you won't have water splashing out. This thing is equipped with a porcelain toilet as well, and with storage up top. We're equipped here with an airport style sink, which is a pull down, keeps it nice and out of the way, so you can wash your hands and keep all that mud off your hands. Thanks for checking out the Outback OBX with me today. Again, my name is Drew with Colton RV and Marine. We're going to be at the Western New York RV show here at the Hamburg Fairgrounds till January 28th. Can't wait to see you.